Massive machines aren't always unstoppable. What happens when they fall into the most dangerous failure situations? Let's find out. The rescue operation is truly harsh. The garbage truck accidentally slips off the road, making it extremely difficult to get back out. Fortunately, a wood chipper steps in to help, using all its power to pull the truck to safety. Another dramatic rescue unfolds. Powerful recovery cranes keep pulling the tanker back onto the road. With perfect coordination between the machines, the tanker is quickly and successfully rescued. Unbelievable. Even that massive tractor can't escape the mud. Its wheels spin helplessly until an excavator arrives just in time to pull it out. After a devastating accident, the long-sunken boat is finally recovered. Excavators and recovery cranes step in, slowly pulling the vessel back to shore. Show your support for these machines by commenting 1. Oh no, extreme danger. The bulldozer is struggling against the strong current, and getting safely back to shore looks like a very slim chance.
Остается пускать.
It slowly pushes through fragile sheets of ice, almost in desperation.
Хуя у него там. Аллилуйя, ё. Прикинь, там разулся бы сейчас, и пизда. И хуй бы мы его достали бы вообще.
The trainee driver's first trip ends in a complete disaster. He's stuck and can't get out. In the end, an excavator has to step in, removing load after load of dirt from the truck. But it's not that simple. The machine still struggles as the wheels remain deeply embedded in the mud. In the freezing cold and heavy snowfall, a terrifying accident strikes. A truck overturns on the road, making the rescue effort more grueling than ever. The crane works relentlessly to secure and pull the truck upright, and only at first light does the rescue finally come to an end. The craziest power showdowns I've ever seen. 3 tractors are chained together to see which one is truly the strongest machine. With every pull, their wheels dig deep into the ground, an intense battle of strength. Subscribe now so you don't miss the most intense machine failures you won't be able to look away from. I didn't think it could be submerged that deep. The tractor falls into a pond, and the rescue begins with a JCB excavator. It secures a cable to the wheel, and with the added effort of a few workers on site, the machine is slowly pulled back up. What do you think about this intense situation? The front of the machine keeps lifting off the ground. Tons of soil in the rear make it hard to move, and it gets stuck in the mud. After struggling for a while and realizing it can't break free, they have no choice but to unload some of the dirt.
Kita tak kerja lah.
Wow, like a top-tier tractor performance. It charges across the field like a massive beast, with the front end constantly lifting as if showing off its power. A terrifying brake failure. It causes the Massey Ferguson to snap in half, and an excavator moves in to clear the scene. Using its massive bucket, it lifts the vehicle and carries it back to the repair area. Don't forget to comment 1 if you're impressed by this machine. Have you ever seen massive machines like these? If not, stick with this video. Right in front of you is a heavy transport operation, specifically an excavator being loaded. Every move as it climbs onto the truck is unstable and extremely risky. Mud is everywhere, and the wheels are sinking deep into the ground. It's a terrible situation. The only goal now is to get out. Luckily, a backhoe loader shows up. Using its powerful arm, it helps pull the excavator free. This excavator's getting pretty bold. It pushes through deep mud without hesitation, seemingly unafraid of getting stuck. Bucket after bucket, it scoops up mud and spreads it everywhere, working with impressive efficiency. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. Subscribe now so you don't miss the most intense and dangerous machine failures you won't be able to look away from.